my channel, Rashmirose. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I am customizing necklace and earrings. So let's start! Customizing earrings and necklaces, I'm going to show you my beautiful collection, like making earrings and necklace and pearl, beautiful color of beads and beads letters. Here we go. These are the collection that I have. I have leaves for pendant and some of the earrings also, and butterflies, and many more, heart and round. I have beads, color beads, heart design. There is black, but big. There is small, medium, and beads letter for making a bracelet. Black with white, and beads also, colorful beads. This pearl for pendant and earrings, stars, and colorful also beads. These are the tools that we needed: ruler, scissor, pliers. Selected this beautiful design, heart design, saying, it's written here, I love you, and when you open it, you can put any pictures. And this one for the earrings, and this one for empty earrings stud, and this is for the lock and clamps and jump ring. We need this one for that. And also the chain, of course. So first we need to make the chain. We need to cut the chain first. I'm doing like this. And only 25 centimeters. Cut. So after cutting the chain, we need the plier to open the jump ring. Then hold the end of the chain, and connect the jump ring in the chain and close. So you need to make tight so that it's not open. So after that, you need to take another end of the chain and take one again jump ring, then open the jump ring, and attach to the end. Same another side, but in this side you need to put the clamps. Then close tight done. So now the chain is finished. We need this pendant also. So we need to put the pendant with the chain also. We need the one jump ring again, and open the jump ring. After that, we need to put the jump ring inside the pendant and put also inside the pendant, inside the chain. Lock tight so that it's not open. So our pendant is done. Our chain and pendant is done. Now we need to make the earrings. So we need to open the jump ring again. Put the earrings shape, the heart shape, and put this empty stud, and then make it tight. This is easy to customize. You need to buy only in the online pendant and earrings design. It's up to you which design you want to use, or which design you want. A lot of design you can choose. And then done. And then you need to put this earrings. Lock the earrings. So the earrings is done. Now we need to make the other side. Open the jump ring. Attach to the empty stud. So it's up to you how you customize or how you make your earrings, how you design your earrings and pendant. Depend on you. So you can choose any design in online. So this is the easy. This is the earrings. So now I want to show you